Hey guys, here is a question from JEE Main exam held in 2019. Let's see the question. If twice y is equals to cot inverse root 3 cos x plus sin x by cos x minus root 3 sin x whole square, x belongs to 0, pi by 2, then we need to find differentiation of this function y. And here we are given some options here, and which one is correct we have to choose. Here A, pi by 6 minus x, B, twice x minus pi by 3, C, x minus pi by 6, D, pi by 3 minus x. Let's solve this. Solution. Given twice y is equals to cot inverse root 3 cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus root 3 sin x whole square. So let's first of all simplify this domain first. So cot inverse, let's divide numerator and denominator part by 2. Root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x. Divide by 1 by 2 cos x minus root 3 by 2 sin x whole square. Now from here, root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 can be found some relation from trigonometric functions. So as we know, sin pi by 3 is equals to root 3 by 2 and cos pi by 3 is equals to 1 by 2. So replacing root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 by sin pi by 3 or cos pi by 3, we have cot inverse sin pi by 3 cos x plus cos pi by 3 sin x divided by again cos pi by 3 cos x minus sin pi by 3 sin x whole square. Since we know that sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and also cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here numerator part is the form of this sin x plus y and denominator part is the form of this cos x plus y. So replacing the terms, we have cot inverse sin x means here pi by 3 plus and y means x divided by denominator part pi by 3 plus x whole square. That is equals to cot inverse, this is tan pi by 3 plus x whole square. From inverse trigonometric function, we know cot inverse x plus tan inverse x is equals to pi by 2, and that is implies cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Applying this formula, we have pi by 2 minus tan inverse tan pi by 3 plus x whole square. And that is equals to pi by 2 minus this tan inverse and tan will be cancelled out, and pi by 3 plus x left here, and whole square. And that is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 3 minus x whole square, and that is equals to twice pi minus twice pi and minus x whole square, and that is equals to pi by 6 minus x whole square. So this is the simplified form of the function. This twice y is equals to cot inverse root 3 cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus root 3 sin x whole square. So now we can differentiate easily. So let's differentiate this function. Now we have twice y is equals to pi by 6 minus x whole square. Now we can differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, we have 2 is constant, so dy by dx is equals to 2. According to the rule of differentiation, we have this pi by 6 minus x. 2 minus 1, 1. And using chain rule, pi by 6 minus x should be differentiated. So pi by 6 is the constant term, so constant term differentiation is 0, and minus x differentiation will be minus 1. And this 2 and 2 is cancelled out, and here left pi by 6 minus x into minus 1, and this minus 1 is multiplied these terms, then it is converted to x minus pi by 6. So from here we have C is the right answer of this question. So that is the question from JEE Main held in 2019. If you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.